come on in, come on in. Hey guys, my name is Roslyn from Roslyn Journey Through Craft, and how you guys doing today? Guys, today we're making spaghetti quick and easy. I pot over here, we're boiling water for our spaghettis, and we're gonna do that right now. And I do not have my peppers, my red and green and yellow peppers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to substitute them for dry ingredients. And I will be showing you guys that in 1 minute. So we're just going to steam these up. We're just going to, we're going to saute these down, give them a little steam, right? And then we're going to put our meat in there, and we're going to go from there. But while that's doing that, I'm going to show you some of the seasonings that we're going to be using today. We're going to be using the smoked paprika. Looks good already. And our citrus herbs. Right? We want all kind of tastes going on up in here, guys. We're going to throw, of course, we're going to throw in some garlic. Okay. Then we're going to use some of this black pepper here. And then we're going to use our chopped onions. So we're going to wait for this to do its thing. Okay, guys, so we're getting ready to make our plate. As you can see, dinner is done. Just gonna switch out those spoons. And yeah, our spaghettis are all ready. Just check those out. Soft to the touch. Oh yeah. Scoop up some of this meat cheese. Oh my goodness. And since we have Parmesan already inside of our meat, and I'm talking fresh Parmesan, we do not need to use the other Parmesan. So guys, bon appetit. This is dinner. Guys, my name is Roslyn from Roslyn Journey Through Crafting. You know you're welcome to come back anytime. Enjoy.